You guys, look at all this melanin. Look at this beautiful backdrop. I want to address something. There is some talk about a family who recently left Merida because they feel like the black community here was misrepresented. I will say it's not what it was supposed to be, and I have thoughts about that, so we're going to talk about it in this video. Alright, so here's me and Munchkin. We are on our way to one of her meetups because no matter what age group you are in Merida, there is a meetup for you to be able to go out, meet people, and find your tribe. So one of the first things I did when I realized that I wanted to probably come check out Merida, see if it is someplace that we would like to live in, was see if there were resources for my daughter. And yes, I found that there was a thriving teen club. You're seeing some of them struggling on the wall over there. They went ice skating in this particular meetup. But you know what? My daughter, she absolutely loves Merida because she came here, she met friends, she did her, I did my due diligence and made sure that she would thrive here as well. It wasn't just gonna be me. And so that's why the transition was so easy for her. She has found friends and she really, really loves it here. They go out more than me, okay? Sometimes I have to tell her, look here, stay in at the house this week or this weekend because these teens, they will meet up twice, 3 times for the week if you leave them. Oh no, oh dear, oh oops. Anyways, so this was at the ice skating rink in the Galleria Mall. They had a blast. They're out there ice skating, black people on the ice. Yes, look at them. I'm trying to take very wide shots, so not close up on anybody's. Oh, as my seminar, take no close up the camera close up. Lord of His mercy. But these are teens. I don't want to put them on the spotlight too much because this video isn't so much about them. It's about how you can find your tribe. But speaking of which, a little sidebar. The Galleria Mall here is a great place to come and actually meet people, people watch, because look at this girl go, like, ooh child. Like a lot of people come to this mall in particular, especially now when the place is so hot. You hear how Merida, the heat is heat, okay? The heat is hot. And so a lot of people love that mall because it's nice and cold inside and you get to eat and drink and just watch the people go around. Now here we are at the beach. This one's sleeping at the beach. Look at her, look at her. This is another meetup that the Black Merida Facebook group organized. I think it was for Memorial Day. I don't know not about Memorial Day because me come from Jamaica. But I love me a beach. So here we are at the beach. This beach club, the Kokomo Beach Club, they have a couple pools as well as all of these amenities that you're seeing here. So we're on the beach. I had a fabulous time, let me tell you. There are more than enough activities for you to get into if you put yourself out there. Now, I want to say something. We live in Merida. We are not on vacation. So if you come to Merida, you're a newbie, and you say something like, where are all the black people? I'm not seeing the black people. Honey, no, we don't have the time to just drop everything and be your tour guide. You have to put yourself out there. And the place to start is the Facebook groups. Here is another group meetup. This one is for the 50 Finers Club. If you've been following this channel for a little while, you know that my mom actually started this. And by the way, guys, she has her own YouTube channel now. So I'm going to drop it in the description below. You can go and follow her. But the over 50 ladies, they meet up once a month at least as well. This is Miss Jackie, and that's my mom. They were at Jackie's house for this particular meetup, and they get together. Listen, no matter, as I said, no matter what age you are, there is a group of people here for you to link up with. This is yet another group, more in my age group now. We are at brunch. So Kim, she decided to start a brunch group so that we meet. This is Kim right here. So that we meet every other Sunday because she's from Atlanta, I think, and she's missing her bottomless mimosas. Hi, Kim. Which is something that you're really not going to find in Merida, but that's no excuse not to go out and brunch in beautiful surroundings like this. This is at Casa Toe, which is on, or Casa Toe? which is on Paseo Montejo. So very trendy, very nice, and you can see that we were on the terrace and the fans are going, so we weren't really that hot, and we brunch somewhere else, somewhere new, every other Sunday. You can find all these groups in the main Black Merida group or the Brothers and Sisters of Merida group. Those are the two main groups that you will that you're gonna find on Facebook. And from those two groups, if you join those two groups, I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. You'll find all these breakout groups. You'll find the brunch group, you'll find my mom's 50 Fine group, you'll find the Merida Teen Club. I'm gonna leave that link down below too. So there is, as I said, a group for all your little things that you like to do. There is, you know, a skating group, people who go out and do all the fitness things. Me in another group there because Merida too, I forgot outside to do fitness. I need to be in the AC. But like I said, you have to come and put yourself out there, guys. You see how me in the Migla everything, me in the 50 Fine group, me in the Merida Teen group, me in every group because that's how you find people and meet your tribe. So another meetup is coming here. This one is at Parque Aleman, and this is closer to Central as well, so I don't go there a lot, but I had to come and just capture the vibe for you. Every Wednesday they have this kind of carnival setup, lots of street food over on the side. There is a free Zumba class in the middle there. It's nice and smooth, so people come out with everything wheeled. They skate, they ride scooters, and then around the ring of the park itself, people are jogging or walking their dog. It's a really fun, festive atmosphere, and every Wednesday, some members of the Black community, they come out and they get together with their kids so that they can get in a little bit of exercise and a little bit of fellowship too. I really, really, really love the atmosphere out here. I just don't go very often myself because it's kind of far. And because I've been here all of 10 months now, I have found, you know, parks closer to me where I can go and meet Spanish people because I'm in Mexican people I should say, because I'm in Mexico, right? And that's who I want to meet, is my neighbors. So yeah, here's the Zumba class going. They're so cute. And there is the kiddies on their skates. There's actually a free skate class. So I think somewhere in this video you will see them actually coming together, setting up a little obstacle course and teaching the kids how to skate. There are people running on the ring that I was talking about on the outside, doing their jogging and stuff. This is when Merida comes alive. It's at nighttime because Merida hot. Did I say that before? Merida is hot. So if you want to go out in the daytime, you gotta go to the malls or the coffee shops. That's where you're meeting people. But in the nighttime, the whole city comes alive. Everybody is outside, getting in their social interaction, their fitness, eating some good food, that kind of thing. Here's the class that I was telling you about. Here's this little one, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh, like, listen. This is at the Isla Mall. They have, I think it's a man-made lake. And you know, they have water activities on the lake. This is one of my favorite malls to come and people watch. And again, if you come to this mall, highly likely that you're going to meet another person, another Black person in the community. And you know, because people love the malls, and then finally, this is a paint and sip group. This happens, I'm not sure how often she will do it. This is my girl Sonia. She is a fabulous artist. And I mean artist in every sense of the word. Like, she even made those canvases with the little shells on top. Yeah man, she make them out of board, out of wood, and so cut on, do all of this and build them together. I was like, girl, I wish I was as creative and handy as you are. Anyway, so she has this paint and sip inside her home. So, you know, she's inviting people who, you know, she knows that is a part of the community. But by putting yourself out there, joining the bigger groups, sometimes you get access to these other intimate groups once you start to build those friendships. So my advice for you is to definitely put yourself out there. Come on out to these meetups. There are meetups happening every single month, sometimes every single week. You have to put yourself out there. That's how you're going to meet friends. And then eventually you will find your tribe and you'll break off into smaller groups. So like me now, I've been here for 10 months now. I have met enough people where I know who to call if I want to do something. So if I want to do something like go on a cenote trip, I know who to call. If I want to go to the bars and stay up until 12, 1 o'clock like me a young gal, I know who to call. If I want to do something where I'm carrying my teen and we're gonna be amongst other kids and we're all gonna have a grand old time, I know who to call. Now, I do have a video coming up about who Merida is for and who it really isn't for, because over the last 10 months, I've seen people come and go, and I can kind of spot you out now and say, all right, this one not gonna last, this one is here for all the wrong reasons. And while I love Merida, it really isn't for everybody. So I'm going to do a whole complete video on who it's for and who it really isn't for. So look out for that. But I had a blast at this paint and sip. I love all these events that people are curating for us here in the community so that we can get to know each other. And like I said, if you want to find your tribe here in Merida, you cannot just come and stay in your house. You have to come out at least to the big events first, and if the big events are too much for you, seek out the smaller events. Maybe come to the brunch or something like that, because people, the Black community is here. We are thriving. We love Merida. Look at us. Look at us. We love Merida, but it is going to take some work on your part to come out and meet us. A lot of people say they come to Merida and they're like, where are the Black people? I don't see. We do not all live in one neighborhood, guys. Merida is huge. You have to come to the meetups first and then you'll find us. All right. Peace and love. I will see y'all in the next video.